MOSFET Z44N. LDR sensor. LDR 1 pin is connecting with MOSFET source pin and other side connecting with gate pin. "12-volt LED. LED negative side connecting with MOSFET drain pin. "100K resistance. 100K resistance one side connecting with LED positive side. Resistance other side connecting with MOSFET gate pin. 12-volt supply.